Are you tired of using so many products but have no result on your acne, dull, and dry skin?
Are you so much exposed to dirt and pollution that your skin is full of impurities?
Don't worry, guys, you are not alone. Infinite skin problems, but only one solution. The only solution to all your skincare problems is use only organic products.
And not just the ordinary organic products, use
Fitri
Fitri
organic
organic products. So guys, beautiful skin begins with the exceptional skincare.
एंड एज वी ऑल नो आजकल जितने भी मार्केट में स्किन केयर प्रोडक्ट्स अवेलेबल हैं उन सब में इतना केमिकल होता है कि आपकी स्किन पूरी ख़राब हो जाती है. इसलिए वी आर सजेस्टिंग यू टू यूज़ ऑर्गेनिक प्रोडक्ट्स दैट आर कनेक्टेड टू नेचर और जिससे आपकी स्किन ग्लो करेगी.
और गाइस पिछले एक मंथ से हमने हमारे स्किन केयर रूटीन में भी काफ़ी चेंजेस करे हैं. जो हम केमिकल बेस्ड प्रोडक्ट्स यूज़ करते थे उनको रिप्लेस करके हमने ऑर्गेनिक बेस्ड प्रोडक्ट्स यूज़ करना चालू करा है एंड उससे हमारी स्किन में काफ़ी अच्छे रिजल्ट्स भी दिखना शुरू हुए हैं.
So guys, come on. Today we are going to share our skincare routine with you guys.
Yeah, so come, let's go.
Let's go. ओके सो स्किन केयर रूटीन का सबसे फर्स्ट स्टेप होती है टू वॉश योर फेस. टुडे आई एम यूजिंग फित्री विटामिन ई रिच नीम फेस वॉश. आई एम यूजिंग दिस बिकॉज मेरी स्किन बहुत ज़्यादा सेंसिटिव है और मुझे एक्ने बहुत ज़्यादा जल्दी होते हैं. सो आई हैव यूज दिस फेस वॉश सिंस 1 month एंड इट्स अमेजिंग. Each time I wash my face from this face wash, it's so amazing. It gives me a smooth texture, and my acne have also gone lightened.
सो गाइस लड़कियों को नहीं लड़कों को भी अपने स्किन का काफ़ी ध्यान रखना चाहिए और इनफैक्ट उनसे ज़्यादा ध्यान रखना चाहिए क्योंकि हमारी स्किन डर्ट और पोल्यूशन में बहुत ज़्यादा एक्सपोज रहती है. और खैर अब मेरी स्किन जैसे ऑयली है तो मैं यूज़ कर रहा हूँ फित्री का एक्टिवेटेड चारकोल फेस वॉश. सो लेट्स यूज़ इट. Well guys, now you can see my skin is completely oil free and I feel so amazing that I have no oil on my face. So guys, after washing our face with these amazing face wash,
the second step to our skincare routine is applying a face mask. Today I'm gonna apply Fitri's amazing mud mask. I'm using this because my skin is so sensitive and acne prone, and this mud mask will give a cooling effect on my skin.
So guys, I'm gonna use this charcoal peel off mask because I have so much dirt and impurities of my skin and it will help remove all the impurities of my skin. So guys, now we are applying this on our face and see what effects it gives to our face.
We both have applied our mask and you have to wash this face mask when it dries completely.
Actually it will take 10 to 15 minutes of time.
At least.
So yeah, in between we are gonna show you something else.
They also provide this anti-toxin charcoal body scrub. This scrub is so good. I have used it yesterday and its effects were amazing. It gives a single tone change on my skin. It brings a nice glow on your whole body when you use it.
So yeah, we'll apply this right now on our palms.
Yeah, and I'll apply it to him and I'll show you how to use it actually.
Yeah, apply.
So
this is
the thing.
Yeah, and you have to apply it like this.
massage in a circular motion like this. Keep massaging it on your skin for at least 2 to 3 minutes and then wash it up.
Yeah, I'm gonna wash it up.
So Nikhil has washed his hands and you can see an amazing glowing effect. Like you can see the tone change actually. It's a bit of this part has more glow as compared to this part.
Yeah, you can see.
For lips, I am applying this scrub. It's in strawberry flavor and it's amazing. So I'm just gonna take a bit of it and apply it, and you can also apply it soon.
Yeah, I later I'll apply it. So you can see
It tastes strawberry.
it tastes like strawberry. It's a sugar lip scrub, I guess.
Yeah.
Yes. And it looks amazing as well. You can see. It's like candy. I want to eat it. And it smells amazing. How's it after using?
Very nice. My
Very
lips are
nice.
smooth now.
So these are all the benefits of organic products with no side effects. You can see.
So my face mask is almost dry, so I'm gonna wash it up and show you the results.
And I have to wait for around 10 minutes more to peel it off. Yeah. See.
Okay guys, so I have washed my face and now you can see the results. Is my
And-
skin glowing?
Yeah, it's glowing.
Yes.
Yeah, it's shining. And now I'll peel off my mask.
Wait a minute.
Guys, after peeling off my mask, you can see the difference in my face before and after. Looks fresh, oil free. And now it's time for the third and the last step of our skincare routine. That's this charcoal gel. We have to apply it on face, massage it and leave it overnight. It helps in controlling pigmentation, removes scars, help in control oil. Yeah, so it has many benefits.
Okay guys, so we have received this amazing gift hamper from Prithvi Organic. They have huge variety of products. Like they have 3 types of face wash, that is neem face wash, charcoal and green tea face wash. They also have this amazing mud mask that I have used earlier in this video, and the charcoal peel off mask used by Nikhil. And then again they have this charcoal body scrub that brings fairness and bring a nice glow to your skin. And then they have this rose flavored body lotion, and they have this strawberry lip scrub and mixed fruit lip balm. And last but definitely not the least, very effective charcoal gel, which helps to clear your dark spots and give a good result in pigmentation. Okay guys, so this was our skincare routine. Hope you liked it.
And we have also shared the details of Fitri Organic products in the description below. Go guys, check out, buy some products, go through their products.
And they also have an offer of buy one get one free on every product if you apply the code Khushnik.
Go apply the code Khushnik and you will get an offer activated of buy one get one. So guys, please go through your products, buy some products. Yeah, we'll see you next time. Bye.